guys, good morning. It's Sunday today, so rest day. So lakad-lakad lang, pero hindi naman siya ganong kalamig kapag ganitong oras. Dito lang ako sa Sunday, every Sunday dito lang ako sa malapit sa lugar namin kasi may toy park naman dito. Pwede kang mag-jogging, pwede kang tumambay. Yan, medyo maluwag yung lugar niya, so nakaka-relax.
Have you been outside lately? Those leaves sure are changing. Reminds me of that time we spent hours carving faces, making jack-o'-lanterns light up in the night. It's an image that's ingrained inside my mind. Well, that year spent waiting, walking empty pavement, I got by just fine, didn't notice what was vacant. Now the fallen leaves that echo out your name fill the space of you the same. I'm still falling out of love with you, and I'm heading for the door, not sure if I'll go through. Memories, they take so long to erase. Will they ever even start to fade? When the nights get cold, sometimes when I look over, I see you by a fire with your hands out in the open, and I wonder if you're singing autumn song, or if I'm singing all alone. I must be singing on my own. I'm still falling out of love with you, and I'm heading for the door, not sure if I'll go through. Memories, they take so long to erase. Will they ever even start to fade? I'm on my way, just not today.
So at dahil nandito na rin lang tayo sa labas, hanap na rin tayo ng mga kainan natin. So lakad-lakad. Ayan, ito, ang dami kong restaurant na nadadaan. Kaso, hindi ko type kumain. Hanap tayo ng siguro burger na lang. Bateria. Ilang naman kasi dito ng McDonald's. Bateria. Bateria na lang guys.
If you stay forever, let me hold your hand. I can feel those places in your heart no one else can. Let me show you love. I'll be right here, baby.
So yun guys, tapos na rin ako kumain and nakapamili na rin ako. So dadaan lang ako ng World Store, may bibili lang ako doon. So see you guys. Wow, ganda pa rin ang view. So ayan guys, pauwi na ako. So salamat sa panonood. So sana sa susunod magustuhan yung next vlog ko. See you guys. Bye bye.